Hello everyone, welcome back to Prompting Process, where we upskill with confidence, one tool at a time. Today we'll be talking about two very useful functions in Excel, average if and average ifs. These functions will help you calculate averages, but with conditions of instead of averaging everything, you can choose to focus only on numbers that meet your criteria. Let's get started. Let's start with the average if. Now, the average if calculates the average cells to meet a specific condition, just one condition. Now, this is the syntax. The range here is the cells you want to test against your condition. The criteria is the condition itself. Let's say 50 is greater than equal to 50, or yes, then the average range are the cells you want to average if they are different from the range. Now, let's see an example of the average score of the people that scored 50 and above. So let's go ahead and enter the formula. Then you put your range. Our range here is the score. Then we put a comma, then the condition, close our parentheses, and hit enter. Now we know that the average score for those that scored 50 and above is 83.7. Now let's see another example. Let's see the average score for maths alone. So we start by entering our function, which is average if. This is the formula we have to enter, the average formula, the range of our criteria, then our criteria, which is math, then the score, which the average will be based on. We click enter, then we have our average for math score. We can go ahead and reduce the decimal places into 2. So this is our score for math alone. Average ifs is like a big brother to average if. It deals with multiple conditions. So when you have more than one condition, you use average ifs. Let's see an example. The syntax is just the same, but here you get to add multiple conditions. Let's see the mascot for the female, the average mascot for the female. So we enter our equal sign, then our function, which is average is with an S, then the conditions. This is the formula for the average is your conditions and your range. You hit enter, and now we know that the average score for the females for mass score is 89%, 89.2. Now let's go ahead and check the average for science for 70 and above. Those have got 70 and above. So we start by entering our equal sign. Then here's the formula for the student that scores 70, the average scores for student that scores 70 and above in science. So we go ahead and hit our enter, and there we have it. We can round it up to two decimal places. Thank you for staying till now to the end of this video. Just to wrap up what we learned today, we learned about average if, which is a way to find the average of your data set when you have just one condition, and average ifs when you have multiple conditions. Both are super handy when you need targeted average in your data set. That is it for today. If you found this video useful, kindly like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other Excel functions you would like me to cover. Until next time, keep learning and keep upskilling with confidence, one tool at a time. Have a nice day.